This video guide is about removing the browser notifications that are coming from the site Mwoukrkskills.xyz. Frankly speaking, the name of this website doesn't make any sense at all. But the website is extremely malicious. It tries to trick people into clicking on this special allow button, supposedly to close this page or to continue watching some content. But clicking on allow is risky and dangerous. This will immediately hijack your browser and you may be brought to many other dangerous resources in the internet. Very often these redirections depend on your regional or IP settings. But in any case, these redirections are not really decent. They may point you to many shady and dangerous pages in the internet. So, if the allow button was clicked, you also may start getting a lot of ads in the form of push notifications. To deactivate them, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Site Settings. Go to Permissions and click on Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Well, believe me, some of these notifications and these ads are really filthy. This is why I have hidden their content from your eyes. And hoping that you will not see that content. But you definitely need to remove this malicious website to remove this bad content. There is a program that can help you do that automatically. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.